Let me make you salivate by sharing with you this simple, quick, easy, but yet very mouth-watering and delicious stew. So we are making fanti fanti or tomen latadi or fresh fish light soup or stew, anyhow you call it, but this is actually stew, okay? And if today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my tomatoes, that is fresh tomatoes. I have onion, I have some rosemary, garlic, basil, I have some yellow habanero peppers. I don't want to waste your time, so I'll just go ahead and wash everything behind camera and then blend it. After blending it, I'll be with you, okay? But because we are blending that, we will just go ahead and clean our fish very well. So I know very well that one may ask, why are you using that to clean your fish? Because I don't want the place to be messy, okay? That is why I am using that. So you can use anything to clean your fish that is not sharp, and if you do that, the place will not be messy, okay? It can be spoon, it can be anything that is not sharp, okay? Yeah. Now after cleaning everything, I cleaned it very well with some lemon juice, used my paper towel to wipe some of the water from it. Now I've added my blended pepper, ginger, garlic, and then my fish seasoning. I've added some basil, rosemary, and I will just cover this, put it in the fridge overnight. You can actually just use it right now, but I'm not ready to prepare the food, okay? I was tired that day, so I kept it in the fridge, and the next day we are here. Let's get started. I have my jomi on fire. This is actually palm oil, okay? But in Ghana we have types of palm oil, and the best palm oil that tastes very good is jomi. It is spiced palm oil, and I have that on fire. I have added my chopped onions. I'll just give it a stir, add the ingredients that we blended. I just don't want the place to be very messy, so I will just cover it, wait for a while, and then give it a stir. Whilst I'm stirring this, the fire is off. After that, I will just cover it and then continue, because I don't want to mess up the place, okay? So I will cover it, and after some few minutes, this is how our stew is looking. Just look at that, so delicious already, okay? You can actually add tomato paste if you want to, but I have never added tomato paste to my before. I just want everything fresh. Do you get that? So after the stew is ready, I'll just go ahead and add the fish to it, okay? You can actually cook the fish before adding it to the stew as well. I sometimes do that, but I can count how many times I have done that, okay? I usually like it this way, so that I will not use a lot of cooking utensils and then give myself a lot of work, okay? Now we are just going to leave this on fire on a very lower heat, and then allow the fish to function. Yes, allow it to do its own thing, and when it is ready, I will show you how it looks. Just look at that. So we are going to cover this, and I will be with you shortly. Have you subscribed if you haven't yet? Please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red subscribe button and the bell icon that says all on YouTube for more videos? They don't take money. If you're watching me from Facebook, smash on the follow button and the like button. It is free, okay? Thank you for doing it, because I trust you. And after watching this video, I will be very grateful if you share it to others. After some few minutes, the fish is ready. If the fish is ready, you're not going to see any blood, okay? Even if you put the fire off. Now this is what I want to add, Okay, I'll add some okro, the ewe in me. Okay, I will add some okro, add some pepper, and then with my basil, and allow the stew to be on fire for some few minutes. So this one I brought you from my two place that I come from, the fancy land and the water land. Do you get that? That is just by the way. So I added fish seasoning to the fish. That is why I did not mention anything like I'm adding salt or seasoning to the stew, because already we have enough on the fish. And if you remember, I added the water that came out from the fish to the stew as well, so it is enough. You don't have to add a lot. So I will do this gently by stirring it, and then allow it to be on fire for some few minutes so that the okro can cook very well. You can omit the okro, but I mostly add okro to my fancy. As I am doing this voiceover, I am missing someone already. Yes, I am missing Dr. Ziblim. This is his favorite. Come home. Yes, so we are done, and on that day we pair this with our kinky. You can't miss my kinky recipe. I'll be bringing it to you very soon. But if you are in a hurry, I have some of the recipe on my channel on my Facebook as well. And please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.